Hello again. Older readers will probably remember a time when what are sometimes known as Anglo-Saxon or four-letter words were absolutely prohibited in print and also not heard on television. This seems incredible today when even productions of novels by Charles Dickens on the BBC contain such language. There's no longer a taboo against the use of the crudest of sexual swear words, and one hears them bandied around in the streets, used by women and children without anybody seeming to care much. How different, how very different, is the case with slang expressions for various ethnic groups. In this case, they cannot possibly be printed in full, and just as it once was with swear words, are now invariably given as only an initial letter followed by a string of asterisks. This seems to me to be utterly absurd, for just as when we saw F asterisk 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 in the newspapers, we knew at once to what this word referred, so too with what are now known as the N word and the P word, the latter being an unpleasant term for those from the Indian subcontinent. I am opposed on principle to censorship of any kind, and I always found it quite ridiculous that even novels would contain dashes or asterisks to prevent printing words in full. Those who are familiar with Trollope and Dickens will be aware that both authors followed this convention with words such as damn or God. It looks quaint to read a passage from one of their books today and find that publishers dare not print the word damn for fear of causing offence to sensitive readers. Today it is, as I say, racial epithets which must be avoided in this way, and this looks every bit as foolish as Trollope writing D followed by a dash to indicate damn. In the future, I'm sure that our grandchildren and great-grandchildren will find the N-word every bit as amusing when they see it printed in this way. A piece of mind on this subject was published on the Lotus Eaters website this afternoon, and I give a link to it in the description to this video. It goes into this matter in a little more depth.